What's up, YouTube? This is the gamesir X2 USB Type-C mobile controller. It's designed to work with your Android phone. Here it is on my old Moto G Power phone, and it works great. A while back, I did a video showing how I got it to fit on my Samsung Tab S7 tablet, which I thought it was pretty cool. I basically made it a large handheld. Now, I recently picked up Amazon's all-new Fire Max 11 tablet, which is great. So I was curious if it would work on this tablet as well. So I figured I'd go ahead and try it out. Now, taking a look at the back, what I had done was basically file down some stoppers or nubs or whatever you want to call it that holds the springs, so preventing it from overstretching. And after I filed them down, I was able to stretch out the controller beyond what it's really intended for. And it allowed me to insert a tablet into it, specifically the Tab S7. But today I'm going to try using it on the Amazon Fire Max 11. Alright, so I got the gamesir X2 controller here. I'm going to stretch it out like so. And then I am going to fit it into the Fire Max 11 tablet, stretch it out, and feels a little tight, but it does work. It'll fit. And once it's in there, I can easily navigate through the menu, no problem. And if you're curious what it looks like on the back of the tablet, here you go. I'll zoom in and get a closer look at it here for you guys. And the controller is in there pretty nicely. It's not going to go anywhere. Here's another look at the back. Alright, now let's try out some games. Here's Ori and the Will of the Wisps through Xbox Game Pass Cloud Streaming. The focus is a little off on my iPhone, which I'm using to record this. So it looks a little blurry, but it looks and works great. Okay, here's another game on Xbox Game Pass Cloud Streaming. This is Hot Wheels Unleashed. Alright, next up I'm using the PSP emulator PPSSPP. This is Metal Slug XXX. Alright, here's another PSP game. This is Soul Calibur Broken Destiny. So, as you can see, the gamesir X2 does work well with the new Amazon firemax 11. Works great with emulation, cloud gaming, and even Android games as well. That's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it, and subscribe if you can. Have a great day.